Eat na na.
We have some cake.
You know how to eat that?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it mac and cheese?
Yes. Good.
After Olaf.
You can see Olaf?
Yes, it's going to
There's
have.
Olaf. Oh.
Huh?
There. Oh.
Yeah. This is called. Is the white?
Mm-mm.
Yes, white.
So, lunch muna tayo guys. Yun yung kay Darren with gamot. So, ayan guys. Papunta na kami ng hotel. Ngayon pa lang mag-check-in. Ngayon naman OA, no? Hindi naman sobrang OA ng tagal. Kasi kahapon sobrang OA ng aga. Pero ngayon,
Going to Jollibee.
eto. Hindi 4 din minsan ang check-in.
We're going to Jollibee.
Pero depende lang kung may available. Yes, anak! We're going to Jollibee with Tito Iko. Tito Ninong Iko.
Yes.
You're gonna meet him again.
Yes. And get kitty meal with toy.
Ay, why? Ito iba ang Jollibee.
Because I want to. They have kitty meal.
Anak, sa Pilipinas yun. Hindi ko alam sure. Kasi hindi naman tayo masyadong nagja-Jollibee sa Regina. So, ito yung view. Bale, 19 minutes away from North. Pero, okay nga siya. Meron pa ngang Chinook Center, di ba, mall? Yung isa naman dami.
Continue on Alberta to south for 13 kilometers.
So, tomorrow, yun nga yung, kaya babalik kami kasi dun sa mga bata. Sabi ko kay Kaden kanina, hinahanapan ko siya ng tsinelas, yung Puma, na tag 19. Sabi niya, Crocs daw. Tumingin pa yung isang ate, Crocs daw. I don't like that, I want Crocs. Sabi ba naman niya? So, if you do vlog, Kaden, you can buy Crocs. Oh, you say hi ka dreamers.
Hi.
Please watch and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Why?
Because we will need to get money. We can buy toys for us.
Grabe. Hindi kita tinuruan kay Den, ha? Ayun. Akala niya guys, pag naggawa daw ng video na, may pera na. Kasi sinasabi namin, okay din, oh, look at them. Oh, ang daming views nila. Tapos ganun. Tapos sabi niyo, oh, I want to make video too, to have money. Kala niya, pag gumagawa na ako ng video na to, parang may pera na. Oh my God. Hindi ganon kay Den. Kung alam mo lang. We're gonna give that first salary to tawag dito? Charity.
What?
We're gonna give the money to the charity.
Why?
To the church.
Why?
Because they say it will bless you more in return. Right?
But I don't want to miss your dead.
What?
I want to die.
Hindi mamamatay yung bless. Ay, akala, they will bless you
What?
with good health like that.
So that you can stay alive?
Yes, you're still alive if they blessed you. Hindi ka naman binibless para matay eh. Nakakatawa yung gawa ng video tapos akala niya money. That's Kong TV, Kaden.
What?
Kong TV.
Why?
Kong TV has lots of money because he's doing videos.
So me too.
Oh my God!
I
You,
still.
no, you're going to be. What do you want to become when you grow up?
A police officer.
Okay. You want to become?
A police officer.
Why do you want to become a police officer?
Because I want to catch all the bad guys again.
Okay, why? Is there a bad guys here?
Or maybe like a sailor want the world and see for a few minutes. Then we're gonna go see if there's any strangers or robbers knocking in the house and getting any people.
Oh.
That's why I want to be a police or something.
Not a pilot?
No.
Why? It's a nice job. You're gonna ride an airplane.
No.
No?
I'll go be the police boat. So that we
Okay.
can sail around the world for 5 minutes, then check if there's any cop robbers.
Okay.
And they were done. And this is a lesson. A lesson. That they will become our new helpers.
Oh, that's good. Wala akong naintindihan. Okay. So are you good now?
Yes.
Okay. Ang dami oh. Tignan mo. Huwag ka palang tumingin. Manood ka na lang ng vlog. Daming mga bahay sa gilid. Establishment. Oh, what's that? Plastic. No? Bukas uwian na. Tapos kinaumagahan trabaho na. Ano ba yan? Hindi pa natin nakita yung mga outlet ng bag.
Oo nga, saan ba yun?
No? Ang hirap.
Okay lang, mabuti na lang.
Oh, hindi naman ako bibili ng bag ngayon. Kasi itong bag ko na to, oh, nakatago na, sira na. Sayang. Good morning, ka-dreamers!
Sorry.
Ayan, pauwi na tayo.
No, we're not.
Oh no, we're not. Where are we going? Last stop.
I don't know.
But we're going to buy.
Walks.
Why?
Because we need new shoes.
Ayun, babalikan namin yung Crocs kasi nga ngayon walang tax ang mga bata sa mga
I can
clothing.
decorate the clocks at
Hindi ko alam kung
home.
kasama yung Crocs pero anyway, ayun, babalik tayo sa Cross Iron Mills. Ito yung last stop natin. So, kagabi pala, nag-dinner kami with cousin. Nag-Jollibee kami. Ayun, di na nakuhanan pero ayun, so happy pa din. Kasi at least okay siya dito. Mga 3 days pa lang siya dito sa Calgary, so student siya. Ayun lang guys. Kukwento ako ng madami mamaya sa travel natin, pero for now, ito muna. I-reminisce muna na, reminisce. Tawag dito? I-ano muna natin yung place for the last time. Kasi maybe next year na ang balik. Hopefully sa summer. Ayun lang. Say bye-bye muna guys.
Bye.
Bye!
A few moments later.
To the Alberta 2 North Deerfoot Trail Ramp to Red
Ayan,
Deer.
diba? Pababa ulit ito. Nice. So, comment naman dyan sa mga taga-Alberta kung may nanonood if bakit nga ba Deerfoot tinawag.
Slight right.
It was this way. It goes-
Paano kung hindi kumagat yung brake mo dito, no?
This is the way to go side this, and that's
Continue
the
for
way to
800
go
meters.
side crossing.
Yeah. So, iyon. City tour lang kami. Hindi kami makakadaan sa Banff siguro. Kasi may pasok ako at sa hapon naman si Daryl. Ganun lang.
Ganun lang kabilis.
Ganun lang kabilis. Parang nabitin ka pa, ah.
Yung matulog lang.
Merge onto Alberta.
Oo, pero at least nakita mo yung pinsan mo, 'di ba? Yun yung kasi syempre kailangang i-support natin kasi nga 'di ba? Bigyan natin ng tawag dito. Mga bilin sa kanya. Although hindi pa naman kami sobrang tagal dito, kwento lang nung mga experience namin as
Continue on
bago.
Alberta 2
Syempre,
north for 16 kilometers.
siya single siya, wala siyang kakilala din dito. Buti na lang nakahanap siya ng mabuting landlord, which is Filipino din. So, ayun. Magiging okay din siya. Kahit ganun kadaming changes, tinuloy niya pa rin yung pagiging international student. Which is, di ba, kung ikaw yung nasa situation na yon, magdadalawang isip ka. Pero siya, syempre, gusto niya pa rin itry. Sabi niya nga sa akin, edi kung hindi mag-workout, pwede naman bumalik sa Pilipinas. Gusto niya lang din itry ang Canadian life. May Canadian dream din siya. So, let's support him kasi katulad din namin, ka-dreamers din siya na want a better opportunity in the future. Kami kasi for the kids, siya single naman siya, so hayaan lang natin siyang mag-explore, and yun, supportado namin kahit anong decision is in life. Lahat naman tayo may plano sa buhay. Kung nadapa ka man, edi tayo bangon, ganun lang din. Just go with the flow. So yan, ka-dreamers, laban lang. I know madami pa tayong kakaining bigas para para maging okay ang status, pero at least andito na tayo. Huwag mawawalan ng hope. 'Di ba, Kaden?
What?
Oh, hindi niya naintindihan Tagalog, pero yan, sinusubukan namin siyang Tagalogin para hindi pa rin niya makalimutan yung roots niya. Ayan, dito na tayo kasi it's free.
Where's mine? Are you going to the store?
Yeah, we're going, anak.
We're going to the store first.
Oh, remove your bonnet na, baby.
I have an idea. Tell me I have a shortcut.
Oh, you have a short, you know where to go?
Yes. Left.
Look for your...
Shoes muna.
No. The one.
We're going to get your food and your boy.
On the next.
50 off, oh. Buy one, get one. Sang size. Kids. Ha? Ay, oo nga, no? Kuha ka rin ng snowshoes niya. Ang gaganda, oh. Ang ganda nga nito, oh.
So just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday. Wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way. No one's gonna leave you
Second pair
broken
is
hearted.
50 off na
You
daw.
don't need nobody else.
Daryl, anong size yan?
Doing well, so well.
10?
Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss
Okay
kind
lang.
of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning.
Snowshoes na lang.
Someone tells you otherwise, give 'em warning. Don't let yourself be restrained.
Kung bata lang.
Yourself and just walk away.
Yun agad na pili namin yung
Away.
white.
Yeah, yeah.
Look ay
Hindi pwede eh. Ayaw niya yung umiilaw eh. Si Kaden naman, si Kaden.
Found who I'm looking
I'm ready to.
Saan? Oh. Size 10. Size 10, mas malaki dapat. Kasi kung makapal yung medyas. Ay, gusto ko yan.
Everyone who's lost their vision. You got something that everyone is craving. I'm just wishing I can be with you. I feel like I need you in my arms. Something about the way you look when you say you're trying. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright.
Malalaki?
Smile like there's no one watching.
Sure ka?
That everybody wants to be your love.
Pwede na rin yan. Ganda naman.
No. Yeah. That I never thought I'd fall under your spell.
Let's go to the white area now.
Look in your eyes and I know
Halika na, let's go to the boys area.
looking for.
This is the boys area. Which one do you want? Saan? Here? Oh yeah. Oh, what do you want? Tell me. Look at this one, oh. Ito. Tignan mo. Which one do you want? I'll grab you. No, this one is this. Is that what you want? Oh? Really? But we can go here, ano? We can go there, oh.
Why?
Yeah. Here, oh, 4 to 6 then. Ano ba lang? This. Oh, this one, oh. Choose here. Or this one, the red one. You don't want? Oh, this. You don't want this? Oh, this one na lang. Oh, see? You can see inside. Oh, is that what you want? No? Okay, fine. Oh, this one. Okay, so
Just smile like there's no one watching you shine. You got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright. So just smile like there's no one watching.
wala ngang maganda dun. Ano? Which one? Ano? This one? The red one? Yes? Okay. Let's see your size. Oh, run. Oh, sikip na rin yun, di ba? Yan daw gusto niya eh. Okay na yan? Oo, more.
Kami ganyan.
Okay din, go na. Ganun lang kami kabilis mag-decide. Hindi na tayo pupunta sa pang-matanda. Pang-bata lang. Walang ano, pang-bata lang tayo. Hindi ko na kayo ano guys, kasi masasaktan lang tayo. Sige, din excited. Nagmamadali tayo naman. O, dito naman sa gap. Wait lang kayo. O, si Kaden.
Because Crocs is over there.
The
And
Crocs
we're
to
here,
later, okay?
The Crocs will not go anywhere. No, it won't. Yung Blossom hindi na nga.
Hindi naka 50?
Hindi, naka-50 na pero hindi tax free.
Ha?
Hindi tax free. Yung shoes lang daw tax free sa kanila.
Oh, grabe sila, no? Tingnan natin. Walang presyo. So, 50. So, yan guys. Ito yung mga prices nila. May Daryl, dito ka. May ano sila dito. Oh! Oh, perfect! You want that?
No.
It's Mickey Mouse?
No.
Pluto. Oh, you want the other color?
Oh, the other
Oh,
color.
come on, let's go.
My
Let's watch.
favorite color.
Yeah. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Oh my god. Let's see if there's green. Okay.
You can see.
Come on, anak. Balik mo yan.
Yeah.
Yung kay Ella, o yung mga pants nandun, no? Yung kay tingin ka na ng pants ni Kaden. Kasi si Kaden kailangan ng mga damit na Kasi tignan nyo guys. Ano na siya? Botchog.
One eternity later.
Dinosaur.
Oh, decorate na. Ano po, dyan sila na-excite.
This is still
You
dinosaur.
will put it on your... What else, Ella? Do you
I
want?
got dinosaurs.
We have here pa, oh, ang dami. So, buy 5, get 2. Maganda yung buy 8, get 5 free. Pag 5, may dalawa ka. O, Kayden, nakailan ka na? How many?
Tig-apat sila.
Oo,
Para meron.
5 pa.
I got 3.
You got 3, sige pa. Get 1 more. O, Ella, where's yours? Okay, you get 3 more.
Cars?
You want Hot Wheels?
Cars. What's cars? What's the cars?
Yes. Okay.
Find the cars.
Ang daming ano, sale, no? Grabe, kung madami ka lang pera. Yun po. Ay! 1, 2, Kayden. O si Ella din.
Smile!
Smile. Oh, you go here. Here. Dito, side. Darili, ayos mo sila.
Kabila naman. Ayan na. Lumat kami. Lumat kami.
Oh, pati ikaw kasama ka na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
And the ornaments.
Oo. Yan. O, diba? Okay. Lahat ng outlet nandito na. Pera lang ang kailangan.
Yes.
O, may teams. Dito na rin tayo.
One eternity later.
So guys, nawala na ako. Namintay ko na lang sila dari dito. Yan na sila, Kayden. Napagod ako.
I want cell phone.
O, later, let's go to Costco na.
Why? How far? How far is it?
Regalo ko sa ano.
Sapatos?
Hindi. T-shirt. So guys, magpapagas lang tayo sa Costco, then uuwi na. So the time is 2:40, alas 3 na ng ano,
3:40.
3:40 na sa Regina. So makakahabol pa naman tayo sa pasok ko, 'di ba?
Makakatulog ka pa naman. Mga 6 to 7 hours siguro.
Ayos. Pero magdadrive na lang ako dun sa padiretso. Para naman makapagpahinga ka din.
Papahinga ako sa ano, bukas. Tanghali na kami gigising.
Uy, may pasok. Ay, oo nga pala.
Hapon ako.
Ay, yaba. Ako ang lugi pala, guys. Parang sa trip na to akong lugi.
Talaga po ah.
Oo. Well, nakita naman natin si Tito Ninong Iko. So, na-accomplish naman natin yung mga ano natin. Nakabili na tayo ng gamit ng mga bata. And we're good na. Next year ulit. Pero maganda yung travel natin ngayon. Di nag-i-snow, no? December na, pero maganda yung weather. So, haba ng pila siguro yung mga ano din to. Pero talaga,
Mura
regular,
kasi,
oh, mga ano
130
sila.
plus lang yan.
So,
130
punuin na
lang.
natin yung tangke natin.
Saglit lang to sa tangke natin to. Kasi spare na. Check ko na lang kapag
Abot kayo ng 100.
hindi siguro. Ito halos full pa eh. Siguro mga ano lang to. 20 max. Tapos to na sa
Tas, so,
Sabi mo
sa
60.
Wednesday yung ano ni Olaf, no?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, ayun guys. Back to reality na tayo. So, hopefully,
Kaya na ulit.
ma-upload ko na. Yes, sabi ni Kayden, pag na-upload daw may pera kami. Pero papakita ko rin sa inyo yung magkano yung kinita ng YouTube namin ng 2 taon. Which is, wow, magugulat kayo. Wow na wow. Ayun lang. Bye, Costco, Calgary. O yan guys, naka 40 kami. Akala ko abutin ng 100 yung isang tangke. GST lang siya. Tapos 1.91 lang. Ang saya. Sana ganito rin sa Regina, pero okay lang. Ganun talaga, may kanya-kanyang kagandahan ang bawat probinsya. So tara na. Mag-lunch dinner na kami dito sa A&W. Tapos rekta ng 8 oras para makapag-stretch muna yung katawan, pero mag-stop kami. So ilang oras kaya yung natin? Anong oras na tayo makakarating doon?
Max siguro 12
12,
or
okay.
11.
O yan.
May pahinga.
Oo. Okay lang yan. At least hindi ako malilate sa work. So salamat sa pagsama sa amin hanggang sa susunod na travel natin. Pasensya na, hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado sa loob kasi nga ang daming tao guys, baka masita tayo, pero yun, hayaan nyo, susunod pupunta na tayo sa Banff. Say bye bye na.
Bye bye.
Bye.